Hello everyone, Dakota23 here, and today I'm just going to give a real quick, probably
Oh shit.
5-8 minutes at the max, video on one thing I prefer about PCs over consoles. And I
That's
apologize
pushing
for any
it.
background sound you hear. I have two fans running in my room right now. It's fairly hot in here. So, a little backstory real quick. So today I decided to jump onto my PS4, wanted to play a game. I was doing some AFK fishing on Minecraft, so I needed something to kill time while my computer was occupied. So, jumped on my PS4, did a quick system update, and then decided, no, I'm gonna play Days Gone. I haven't played that game in a while. It's enjoyable. I like it. Jumped onto that. Didn't even get to start the game because shortly after loading in the game and going to what I was gonna play, my PS4 started to sound like a jet engine. The fan was loud, um, very annoying. Like if you own PS4 consoles, you know that sound where it's just whirling up and it sounds like a jet engine basically. So immediately I turned off the PS4, completely turned it off, powered off, um, unplugged all the cables from it, grabbed out my toolbox and said, "Know what? I'm going to take this thing apart. I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to clear out all the dust." Well, there's one panel you can remove. It's the panel on the PS4, at least my version of the PS4, that has the symbol on it, the PlayStation symbol, and it says Sony on the front. You can remove that panel. It does not void warranty. You can remove that anytime you feel like it. You can remove that panel to be able to get access to the hard drive and change out the hard drive, which I've done before. So I'm thinking, I've removed that panel and I've dusted out that area before, and it's like, this is enough. I need to go deeper. I need to take off a lot more. Well, to remove the other coverings or panels or whatever you want to call them on the PS4, there's two seals on the back of it that it says if seal is damaged or if sticker is damaged, um, warranty is void. So I'm already like, I've had this thing for years. I don't really care at this point if the warranty's void. I'm never going to take it in for warranty. If it breaks, it breaks. I can just grab the hard drive and I've got all my data right there. So to take the PS4 apart, you do need a T8 star hex with the security hole in it. Well, I don't have one of those, but the T8 I do have get remove those screws. The security pin in the middle of them isn't
God damn it, let me call
long
this
enough
in.
where it was able to prevent me from removing those screws. So had to peel off the warranty stickers, take those off to be able to remove the outside covering. Got the outside coverings off,
Oh, I bit. Okay,
and then I took out
don't
one
revive me.
more
Nice,
piece
there,
in
there,
it.
there's a guy there.
It's
Get him. I'm gonna go get
right
that,
at the back before the fan. Took
box up
that
on the
off.
roof.
It's got a bunch of the electronics in there. I don't even know what part it is, and I took that out as well. So didn't like completely disassemble it to where I had 100 parts laying around. I disassembled it to where I had the right amount of parts. I knew what went to what and the screws went to what. So very minimal disassembly. And when I took my little electronic air duster, whew, a lot of dust came out of that thing. When I went to clean off the fan, I just held down the fan with my finger and just hit each blade individually, try to get all that dust off. I took a spare rag I had, cleaned out the coverings of any surface dust, and just dusted it every little crevice and crack that I could get the air duster into to make sure that it was as clean as possible. And then after that, I put it back together. Everything works. Turned it on, tested everything works. Loaded up Days Gone again, and my PS4 is quiet. It's nice and quiet. No more sound like a jet engine. Now I also haven't tried playing it for longer. Like, I just want to make sure that, hey, if I can start it up, it doesn't sound like a jet engine as soon as I... Sorry about that, my window's open, trying to beat the heat. Does it sound like a jet engine?
Where at?
Awesome. I did my job.
On it. Okay.
But I had to avoid the warranty to be able to do that. To be able to get in there, to clean it out, and do all that. Now, on the other hand, for the PC, my PC, it sits right behind my monitor. It's kind of fairly close to the wall. I've probably got an inch of distance between like the back half of my PC and the wall. The front half of my PC's like in my open to my closet. So since it's getting hotter, I decided to remove this top piece of plastic on there. It's kind of like a view area in there to allow airflow from my fan, from my ceiling fan down. I removed a side panel to allow airflow through the back of it, and then on also maybe like once a month I'll take my air duster and go through my PC and clean it out that way as well. That is so much easier since literally to remove the side panel I just remove 2 screws, hand tight screws, and remove the top piece. I just pry it off, no damage, no warranty voiding either, and it keeps the thing cooler too. PS4 consoles, they've got horrible ventilation on them. Like, and I had to avoid the warranty too to get in there and clean it out. Like, I've got my PS4 sitting on the side, because that's how I have to have it set up. I've also had it sitting normally, but I put a book underneath it to try and keep ventilation going underneath it as well. It's just poorly designed. These things are very prone to overheating, whereas a PC, you've got options to make it less prone to overheating. You can keep it fan cooled. You can also water cool it as well. Yeah, that's just my little 2 cents on it. That's why I prefer PCs over consoles in the terms of overheating and ease of cleaning out the components. You don't void warranty. It's easier to get in there. You can remove things just as easy in a PC. Well, easier in a PC because there's not many screws unless you're trying to remove the motherboard. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, easier to get in there, air dust it, all that stuff. On PS4 or other consoles, you have to avoid the warranty. But please leave a comment below on your thoughts, if you agree, if you disagree, if I should keep doing videos like this, on why I like this versus this, if I should do more product reviews like my Garmin review, or if I should just stick to the gameplay and the streaming. Please leave your comments below. I'd like to see what you say. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you all next time. Dakota23 out.